Now, hello, welcome students. We shall start a new topic that is called gene interaction. That is called gene interaction. Gene means gene, inter means between, action means action between genes. How a gene behave with other genes. That is called gene interactions. It is of following types. We have already studied monohybrid ratio, that is phenotypic ratio 3:1 and genotypic ratio 1:2:1, that we have studied. Next, we have also studied the dihybrid ratio, that is 9:3:1. We have already studied, and the following we have to study, that is complementary factor, that is complementary gene ratio is 9:7. Supplementary factor, that is 9:3:4. Inhibitory factor, that is 13:3. And additive factor 1:4:6:4:1. They are songs, we have to study it now, and as it will go, I shall teach you what but today we have to study the complementary factor. Now we shall first discuss on complementary factor. We shall discuss the complementary factor. Complement means ऐसा सहयोग, दो के बीच का ऐसा सहयोग कि जब दोनों एक साथ रहेंगे तभी कोई काम होगा. अकेले होंगे तो वो काम नहीं होगा. समझे? अकेले होंगे they will means two such gene when they come in contact in their combined forms, they will show their effect. But if they are separate, they are unable to show their effect. ऐसा मतलब दो लोकाई में लोकस सिंगुलर लोकाई दो लोकाई में पाए जाने वाले वो जीन जब दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरेक्ट करेंगे, समझे, तो जब और भी डोमिनेंट फॉर्म में जब एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरेक्ट करेंगे तभी कोई सिंगल कैरेक्टर एक्सप्रेस होगा. यदि अलग अलग वो हुआ तो एक्सप्रेस नहीं होगा. समझ लो कि सपोज जैसे कैरेक्टर्स P और Q दो है, इनका रिसेसिव स्टेज P और ये Q है. समझे? तो P Q P यहाँ एक्सप्रेस हो रहा है. समझे? एक सिचुएशन ऐसे भी हो सकता है P Q. Only one is found in dominant forms. Here only one is, P is found in dominant. Here Q is found in dominant. And here both will fall in dominant। तो ऐसी स्थिति में यहाँ केवल P डोमिनेंट पे पाया जाएगा, यहाँ केवल Q डोमिनेंट पाया जाता है, जबकि यहाँ P और Q डोमिनेंट। तो ये जब यहाँ P चूंकि अकेले डोमिनेंट में P is only in dominant form, it will not show its effect। Here Q is only in dominant form, so it will also do not show its effect। But here P and Q both are in dominant form, now they will show their effect। So such type of addition action is called complementary factor। Now we can write that the genes which are present in different loci means the suppose that means here is P, here is Q, they are present in different loci। Here is a small l, they are present in different loci, but when their dominant form will interact together, it will express a single character। So when they will, their dominant form, one condition is must yes or no, their dominant form will interact together। When their dominant form will interact together, it will express a single character। तभी वह जाके कोई एक सिंगल कैरेक्टर एक्सप्रेस करेगा, अन्यथा नहीं होगा, अलग अलग होगा। if they are lonely in dominant form, they will not express any न्यू कैरेक्टर। जब वो अकेले डोमिनेंट फॉर्म में होंगे, समझे, तो वो अपना एक्सप्रेस दिखाई नहीं देगा। जो अभी हम बताएं कि दैट इज बाय द सपोज द P हो, समझे, और P हो या तो यहाँ P is lonely in dominant form, it will not affect any characters। It is also Q is in lonely in dominant, it will also not, but here both are in dominant, P and Q, so they will express the character। So such type of interaction is called complementary interaction or complementary factors। Now we see with example। Now for examples, we take the example of Lathyrus odoratus। एग्जाम्पल्स है, इसमें प्लांट्स जो है, कुछ पौधे ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें पिंक फ्लावर होता है, कुछ पौधे होते हैं जिसमें व्हाइट फ्लावर्स होते हैं। तो ये एक्चुअली ज्यादा व्हाइट फ्लावर्स होता है, लेकिन हाउ डिड चेंज इनटू द पिंक फ्लावर, दैट वी शो हियर, वी सी हियर ए complementary action or complementary interactions. How this happens? Actually, the plant is white and white. They are P, P, Q, Q, and this is this color expressed due to single dominant characters, either P or Q. But when they combine each other, now see what happened. When they combined P, P, Q, Q. Understand? Here you see the P and Q both in the dominant form, so they will express a new character, that is purple color. So only the complementary genes effect, due to effect of complementation, complementary factors, the only due to the complementary action the purple color is appeared. Now we see how actually it takes place due to how this color is. You know that in the white plants there are some chemicals which change into by by hormones, that is known as chromogen, and this change into due to another hormones, anthocyanin, and this anthocyanins cause the change in colors. This anthocyanin cause the change. मतलब यदि कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फैक्टर्स होता है तो वहाँ एंथोसाइनिन्स का प्रोडक्शन होता है, और एंथोसाइनिन के बनने से उसका कलर जो है चेंज हो जाता है. यदि एंथोसाइनिन नहीं बनेगा तो द फ्लावर्स विल बी एज ए व्हाइट, और देयर genetic composition is different, but they will in white forms because no anthocyanin is formed. Anthocyanin is only forms when the both the genes will be found in dominant forms. Now we see how this action takes place. This is the, now we cross this P, P, Q, Q into the gamete still forms. Now if we combine the members of F1 generation, that is their gametes will be PQ, BQ, that is the members of the F1 generation, and their pigment will be, their gametes will be PQ, capital P, capital Q, capital P, a small q, a small p, capital Q, a small p, a small. Similarly, the female gametes will be capital P, capital Q, a small, capital P, a small q, a small p, capital Q, a small p, capital. Now we make a square, let a square, that will see that the 16 offsprings are found. And just we see, I have seen that if the both P and Q found in dominant form, that color will express. Singly, they will not express that. Here you see capital P, capital Q. So it will color, that is purple color. Capital P, capital Q, it is also colored. 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 Here both a small q, that it will not colored. Here capital P, capital Q, it is also colored. Here capital P, but both a small q, so it is also not colored. Here capital P, capital Q, that is colored. Capital P, capital Q, that is also colored. Here both a small p, only single dominant, so it will not. Here is also single dominant, that it will not. Here capital P, capital Q, it is also colored. Here only single P, that is not. Here only single Q, not. Here it is not. No. So these are the changes takes place. Now you count how much. So means there's a purple colors, means that is purple, 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 purples, and there's a white, sorry, capital P, capital P, this is also purple. And so now count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ninth, you will get purple color and the remaining 7 white. So the ratio is 9:7. So this is the complementary actions when the both genes of both loci will be interact in dominant forms, that will cause a single characters. If they are lonely, they will not cause any character, they will have unavailable. Such effect is known as complementary interaction.